What's up you crazy people, welcome back to another video, and today I'm doing quick tips on how to use your mobile phone device to shoot your videos. So you probably noticed I did that. That's because I don't actually have my mobile phone to hand, because I'm using it right now to record this very video. So if you're new here, before we go any further, my name is Damien Ruth. I do social media marketing tips and how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and I'm into a little bit of crypto as well. So if any of those hit home to you, make sure to smash that subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So let's go. Welcome back guys. So first off, let's just get one thing straight. You do not need a ton of money to spend on expensive equipment to get a decent video upload from your mobile phone. So what I'm actually using right now is my Galaxy Note 10. So any smartphone that has HD recording will do just fine, or if you have 4K, that's even better. But that does lead me on to my first tip, which is to make sure you have plenty of storage on your device before tapping record. Because the last thing that you want to do is run out of space right in the middle of your recording, okay? And that's the same goes for your battery life. Make sure you have at least 50 to 60% depending on your phone, and this should give you plenty of space to record a few average length videos. It's always good to record in landscape. This means turning your phone around horizontally as opposed to the vertical, which you're probably used to taking pictures in vertical. But filming in landscape will ensure that your video fits perfectly on any screen that your viewers are watching your video on. And you won't have those empty spaces around the edge, which you do get in your vertical videos. So vertical is of course better for platforms such as TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, and the new Instagram Reels. But with your landscape videos, you can of course repurpose that footage into the vertical format, into your IGTV, your Facebook stories, and your TikToks quite easily in any video editor. So when you finally hit that record button, make sure you're using the rear facing camera as opposed to the front facing camera, because the rear facing camera, which is what I'm using right now, I can't see my screen, I'm actually looking directly at the lens. And the rear facing camera you'll find generally gives a better quality than the front facing. I know it can seem a little easier to like look at yourself. If you're looking at your screen, you can see yourself. But with that, you tend to find that when you're recording, your eyes tend to glare over. So as you can see now, I'm looking at the lens, but you'll find that you glance over to your screen and you end up talking to yourself rather than your viewers, okay? So this will tend to look a little bit off to your viewers, and you're going to be losing that viewer retention because your viewers don't feel more connected to you, okay? So you want to make them feel more connected to you rather than you talking to yourself. You want to be talking to them, okay? So you make sure that your viewers are the ones that you're talking to. When it comes to lighting, you need to light up more using a mobile device. So the best light source is always going to be good old natural light from the window. Recording outside is of course better, but there's going to be times, more than likely to be honest, when you're not recording outside or in front of that natural light from a window. So what I'm currently doing is I'm sat right in my living room in front of a green screen. So this is actually a green screen behind me, as you can see. And I have a ring light in front of me, just sitting behind my camera, and it's actually attached using a holder. So a ring light is the most popular light source amongst YouTubers, video marketers with a budget without breaking the bank. And this one, which I'm actually using right now, is within the $30 to $40 region, okay? So you can get a lot more, but this one does me just fine, and you can actually do more on them than you think, such as changing the light. You can change the light colors, which I'll show you now. So this is the normal white. We have ice. So this is a more ice blue kind of light. And then you have your yellow light. So there will be various colors which they have. So this yellow light you've probably seen more on IGTV, okay, on Instagram. Or you can have this light when you've got a different light source in the background, such as an orange light or red light in the background, okay? So you can go ahead and experiment with all these different colors and see what works best with you. You will also find that with the ring lights, they will come with this cool remote. So this remote, you can just simply tap the button to start recording and just tap it to stop recording. You can tap it to take a picture, you can double tap it to start video. So it's really good and useful for doing your videos all in one shot without having to get up, you know, come over to your mobile, stop it, scroll, get it all set up again. You've got it all here just on this single remote. So you just tap to start, and you can even link it up if you have a teleprompter, for instance. You can even stop and start your teleprompter with this device. So I highly recommend that you do make sure that your ring light does come with a remote, just to make your videos that whole lot better. Green screen. So this green screen which I'm using right now is less than $50, and I'm more than happy with the quality. So I'll leave a link in the description below of all the equipment that I use, and I'll leave a link directly to my tech store where you can go ahead and have a look at all the things that you need to record video and find what's best for you. My next tip is to do a test run and make sure that your framing is right. Make sure that you've got at least a hand space above your head as a general rule, and space around you so that you can point if you're doing any pointing to different things that you're putting into your video. And to obviously make sure that you can move your hands around, because I tend to move my hands around a lot, as you've probably noticed. Okay, so make sure that your framing is right, do a few test runs and just see if it fits right before actually going on and recording the full video. So the next tip is quite an obvious one, but not so obvious, is to just clean your lens. Make sure you clean your lens, because if you don't, you have smudges on there, the end result is going to look a little bit crappy, okay? And no one wants to be looking like this. So clean your lens. And when it comes to audio, you can actually get plenty of microphones that attach to your mobile device via USB or other means. Okay, you can have them to attach to the jack, or you can go ahead and get a Bluetooth mic, so you can connect wirelessly and actually have a Bluetooth lev connected to you. So I'm not actually using any microphone at all. I'm just using my phone's audio, my phone's microphone for this actual video, and I'm happy with the results. But if you do want to up your game with your audio, then you can go and get a decent microphone that actually attaches to your phone. What I tend to do is I use the mobile's audio, okay, and then I just drop it into my editing software, and then I'll just get the quality which I want that way, which is obviously a little bit more work. But you can go ahead and go and get yourself a decent mic which simply attaches to the mobile, or you can go ahead and get yourself a Bluetooth one. And my final tip is to make sure you pick your room wisely. Make sure that there's no background noise, make sure the room's not echoey. You don't want any washing machine going off in the background, or you don't want any children playing and making noise in the background either. So make sure you do choose your nice quiet space for recording your videos. And that's it for using your mobile phone to record your videos. I hope these tips have helped. Make sure you do smash that subscribe button, tap the bell so you don't miss any further videos from me. Go ahead and just hit record and use these tips, and I look forward to seeing all your videos. So I'm Damien Maruth. I'll see you on the next video.